Good morning, everybody. Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. No, I not feel say I know they see my face. No, I go invite Edo people come. Edo people is needed here. They want start to dey kill you now. Mostly now where they come from abroad. Now that one be the vigilante where they create. So I be no one tell you now because when we are fighting, you people feel there is nothing going on. That now party now be the next now. But ancestors say me I tell now. We are going to free Oba of Benin from the Janjaweeds, and we are going to also free Governor Obaseki from the Janjaweeds. So we are going to free everybody. So everybody must be free. You are not free. So I don't feel keep on. I be told I not tell you now, but I must break the information out. Yeah. Please invite because I don't know whether if this video whether I do I finish the blocker because they know say that the truth they talk. How we tell they know they not know. My people, Mona can't hear matter. Yes. Good morning, everybody. The one start to the kill you now. Wait, they come for abroad. Make una just atalat now. Anyone they kill. Good morning, ma. Good morning. God bless you, ma. Good morning. God bless you. God bless you, my people. The vigilante where they create now to kill our people from abroad. Not be to kill Fulani, now to kill the people of the land from abroad. Baba. I not too that time. On Sunday I'll play you well. Sunday I have time on Sunday by the grace of God. Good morning, my people, my fellow Biafra. Now two things now I come here can't talk. Number one, be say the information I get yesterday. I be this I not tell our adult people because they want the hear word. As you dey shout now, they feel say that you be bad person. But he not let me stay because when I sleep, wake up, I say, okay, let me come and tell them. If they go here, they say anybody wake up for abroad, they are going to be killing you. Now be the vigilante where they create. They will frame you up they will kill you because their juju no work. So they want to by themselves now they work for juju hand. So anybody that is going to Africa, you have to be at alert. When I not say I not tell now, I don't still tell. And number two, I bet when I invite IPOB come here or Biafrans, when I invite them come. IPOB maybe many they sleep now. In case if una listen to this audio record, I want to so later. Mona still get sense. Those said in my language, I'm a gomo bogbe. Una say una believe on Biafra. Una believe on Mazuna di Kanu. I want give una Biafra. Mona no they go look Ijele. Mona no they go look am because now they make am popular. Now the truth. The ones where they do live video. Una no they say first us they do am. On your own live video. Be playing it so that the rest will be seen and Mona no they go make am popular. In our Raka. Now the truth with the talk. Oh. I know say Mona no hate me. If una like, una hate me. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. This freedom we are fighting, we have to concentrate. We have to do the needful. No, we know the look am. We know the look am. We know all of una get fake account. When I take Google, they comment for here. If you call this one, I know the look am. I don't block am. You know the look am. You know the look am. And I share am. And they share am. They go pass. I beg you. Enough is enough. More they tell ourselves the truth. Now so now they now they comment, now they cause and Abuna no say they enjoy the cause. It will never change. He hate Mazuna the Kanu. You cannot get it. Person hate person, now not they get him. It can never change. Not even I tell that boy we go make him change. He hate him. So we know say because they hate Mazuna the Kanu, we not get freedom. Because one useless fool, idiot, hate person, we not get our own freedom. We not they look there again. Who is doing live video on your own live video so that the others that want to hear what he's saying can listen from there. Una go there with una fake account. I know they look out. Some people now talk to Oraka. No, Oraka no be anything. You know you no can't. Who tell you say you no can't? Now Oraka de grande. If referendum come, now there you know say Oraka word can't. As other civilians dey so. If we not contact them, we not talk to them. If referendum come, now you were there abroad, now I go vote for Africa. You think they don't find you that time? Who tell you so Raka or no can't? Who they tell now? Say no can't. If they confuse our people, they go. Some people they call me, let the first stage just go now. Later, the sixth stage go. Why is Mazuna the Kanu strongly for it since? Why made they shout since? Mona pack where? Some of Igbo people, Mona pack where? I know what they do, Mona not confuse I be mumu, If you owner the Kanu one first state, why is he shouting? Why is he wasting his time? Why is he shouting? The Nigerian government not us, they may carry a first state they go. When I tell time, the one with they IPOB, but the one with not deal. I'm not sure say na better freedom na they look for. Una not they look for freedom, na money una dey fair. Una know say me I not dey add my own. Na money, na una dey fair. Now go the all of una pa go there. Ijele, I know they look am. If they get 500, 1,000. Now my papa they look am for grave. I been my mama call they share a video where they look am. I know they look am. Raka o, he no can't. Mona you live Raka, he no can't. He just make just they talk you for there. Who tell now? Say no can't. When they don't bring wash all now people finish for grant. Freedom will go come. All those ones say no, I don't want free. That time I know say you can't or you no can't. Una get better topic. Counter these people. Put Oraka for where it belong. Because of Oraka, the rest people want freedom. People want freedom. People want to be free. Now, not never. All of una pa go there. Now go they comment. Tomorrow, I know they wash out. What una they fool. All of una get fake account, All of una get fake account. Ijelo dey insult our leader enemy. He go dey insult am. He go dey insult am. Don't see they comment. What did they happen? Eh? What did they happen? Biafra people, me they ask una. I don't understand. Oh, what did they happen? Make we give us information. Those people now where they go Benin City, they say they want to kill you now. They say now because of una they form vigilante. Now because of una they form vigilante. Oh, they want use the vigilante they kill you now. And the truth, oh, because they say the juju way they swear for the people for abroad no work. They say now I make the call bring out now I make the call bring out vigilante now. Anybody where you call for abroad or you frame her up, or you kill her. May they give una. I'm gonna share the video so that who people will never see her later they'll hear her. So I'm gonna go tell who never hear. Me I know the 5 viewer. All these our Biafra people, Mona pack well, I dey see una. But the one where they share, I dey see una. Mona pack well. Ijele, now say they insult Mazuna the Kanu, and when I say now want freedom, those people they can never change. Ijele, Oraka, other civilian, they no fit change. They know they find Biafra, they know they find freedom. They say they want one Nigeria, they want presidency. Other civilian say make Igbo people, Igbo man be president for the zone that they fight for. If una no mona no. And if una no sit now, mona do the rightful thing. Say all of us still did the Zoom where they call Nigeria. Una know what go happen now. So they kill una small. Me, I feel just say, okay, I not go as again, I dey here. Una no know. I feel talk out. When I don't feel say I don't know what I do. I know what I do. Our people, they are very, very bad. They have bad match. Ijele will be sorting our leader. They will still sit down there. There will be committee. They will be sharing the video. They will be sharing it. Instead of one to open a live video and the rest will be watching if you want to listen to the rubbish that he's saying. One way they do live video. You go open live video. Everybody where they want look listen to they'll pack go there. No wonder our leader they talk say they are gossipy. They like us where they gossip. I know they wash am. 1,000 dead here. I know they wash am. 500. Now my mama they call for every call they wash am. I bet mona pack where my fellow Biafra mona pack where. Me I not said anybody for this struggle. If you know say you know they fight better freedom, just pack where just come on for road. Make people wey want fight am, make they just get chance pass. Really? Yes, now he saw Tojuku yesterday, and the Biafra people and IPOB they are still there sharing the video. Una no know say I sent first or me go see how many share. More than 1,000 people. Una the fool. Una the fool. When they see everything, una no fit say we no dey see Him a mere. Okay? I know they share. Now my mama they call for grief. Then I call the share. No na take time. You go to cause our leader. Now they there. Now they comment. They insult her. If they enjoy the insult, don't comment. He's enjoying the insult. And don't share video. Don't go there and watch him. If you don't let una stay, make one way they do video, make come out. Make they scream and laugh. Now they listen to her for dear. Don't go and give him popularity. These people, because of their hate, they come. Because they hate one person, because of their hate, they come make all of us they bondage. You know what? Biafra people more pack well. More pack well. More all of us face what you defend. Now freedom will defend. Mona know say if everybody did that Zoom, if Biafra not come, if we did that Zoom, our out of finish. Una know na. Our out of finish. So Mona just maintain. Mona do the necessary thing. Mona now they look them again. If you not let una take stay, una see us we take the job our own. Anybody come off our side with the scream and laugh. Thank God say lockdown dey France. I say, yeah, first us, move scream am. People, our people, they look there from there. Don't go and give Ijele popularity. Una no know say they enjoy the course. Even though na course am from today, go reach next how many years, e no go change. E no change, na so e be. Na so e be. Na the Biafra people dey share am. Abuna no know. Na no know say na me I dey call for Owo Adeyinka grass on Sunday. Na dey call for that one. He say Lagos. Say Lagos na no man's land. You okay? Owo Adeyinka grandson, Lagos is no man's land. If you want to bring fight, we are ready. We not dey do business. We not be ego people wey dey do business. You understand? We not dey do business. So if you want to bring out a fight, we are ready. We are going to drive you out from Benin City. Oh, our people dey Lagos. We be say there be Lagosians, but there be Godomigodo Lagosians. It's just that they call they speak Yoruba. It doesn't mean anything. They force them to be speaking Yoruba. Everybody must speak Yoruba. Owo Adeyinka grandson, no hear wetin Yerima Fatima talk. Say na 4 days they'll take destroy Lagos. You know hear am. Not let us go join them. We want cordial na one put na where una belong to. Okay? So don't threaten the Benin. Don't threaten the Edo. Una know na. We'll give her to now. Bomba to bomba. Una see our children yesterday where they throw money go up. Where they throw money. If bad things still there so, they'll still spoil am for now. There's a bit spoil and there's a bit repair, you know. Una see them. You understand? Benin people, they can una start Ashawo now. You say we be Ashawo, but Yoruba is the one that started. But when we enter everywhere, scatter. Now say they be. So don't talk to our people anyhow. Owo Adeyinka grandson. I'm coming to analyze your video because I know your turn now because I'm working. Work don't start. So Owo Adeyinka grandson, don't threaten us because we are dangerous. Okay, we know they do business. We don't be like Igbo people where you say today go, tomorrow stay. No. Now we get Lagos, the owner of the Lagos. Now you cannot tell us to leave Lagos because we are the owner. So you don't threaten us. All what we are saying is true because you people know that we are saying the truth. We rise up and we know the truth now. That is why body the people now they crazy. I don't get your time. So my happy OB people, my Biafra people, don't be fooling yourself, okay? Don't be fooling yourself. And see everything. When I don't feel say I know they see. If I don't see, I get why they call go and me check am. Now they share Ijele video. Now they share this our enemy video where they cause our leader. Now. I know say many of them are not defend freedom. Now yours want they make money, use the Biafra they make money. Now they say everybody now be like una. When I say our people come and donate for Eastern Security Network, now they say now me want take the money, not be me. I'm going to hand over everything to our Majike, to the Eastern Security, make the shop well, make the poof, so that make the two feel kill Fulani. Now, not say as Fulani, they mad for inside bush. Now that kind of one I defend. So, I don't send on a message. Some of you now they test me. What I'm doing it because not everybody is in IPOB. And I'm doing it for God. I know they found our money increase. Our people where they IPOB plus our Biafra people now I come for this money. When I pack where at the verse. I know they laugh to now. Now. If I dey happy, I dey happy. If I dey verse, I dey verse. Ijele cannot change. Don't go there and comment. Thank you. Now you can't see them. You see, as I dey talk the truth now, you know if you see the year. Thank you. See, they will go there, they will share the video, they will comment. They will comment. They share they share the video, they share am. Now no say we dey look who they share am. Now Biafra people they share am. Pass. Yes. Biafra people now they share am because when we meet Biafra people, not be everybody there POB, but now everybody be Biafra. Now there they share am. Where they talk rubbish. When we will tell some people now, see Oraka. No, you no can't. You no. Who tell you say you no can't? Who tell you after my way? Who tell you say you no can't? Who tell you? Now you want go vote when referendum come, when the Biafra want come. Now you go vote for granted. Edo election not be only shot we shot. Now we go vote. Not be people where they there doing. Now they think. Who tell you so they are no can? Who tell you? Mona park well, they see everything, They see everything. Now this is na Buhari with the fight. No. Now all these people like Oraka, Wanda Civilian, Ijele, all these Waziri, now with the fight. If only you guys can be screaming their useless video live. Don't go there and comment and look. So now done 2 times, so now see the result. Don't go there. You people are too biased. You are too biased. You people are just wicked. Every day go pull a video. I don't know what you know the cannot do. I don't know whether that one if picky or what that one if money. He go pull a video. The other days he go scream, he go granda. You people are still going there. What kind of nonsense is this? Now Biafra na the fair been a gossip. If na gossip more they help pull a video, more start to gossip. Me sabi gossip where. Me I know they lie. I sabi because me they fair freedom. I don't want anybody matter for video. Now I concentrate on. Me sabi gossip. If na gossip na what? More they open the live video. Me everybody they gossip each other. Don't come they tell you, I know the sham, I know the looker, now lie. All of them get fake account. Now lie. They not there they look. Now there. The joy way there now some of our adult people will be say they're not there here, but they want freedom. What do? We call them. We tell them, say, leave these people, they will not help you, they just want to cause confusion. You people have been there for many years like that. You have been there for all your life, miserable. Money they all they give you now, but their children they abroad. Also university, that they pack our money go there. Money where they'll use they eat. Many people they eat. They'll give only their children, make they go the flesh. Una not see some way get accident there. Una not see the kind motor way take get accident. For all na life, una no fit drive that motor. Now the truth with the tell now. Una life, una no fit drive that motor. Now our money, now all of us get the money. If you talk, if they jealous of the who they jealous una? What una get? Una don't see anything. Una don't count money. Who they jealous una? Why na? Some people just say come on, you know the it they dirty, you know the dress. Mon arrest all those fake life. I know they follow na doing. I am very clean. I clean pass all of una. All of una, I clean pass una. I not bleach, not miss I not clean. I dey wash my hair. I no fit stay without I not wash my hair a day. Now make una see say I carry my hair like this. Even if I do hair, if I do I plait my hair, Bob Marley, I dey wash am. Constant every day I must wash am. So who clean pass? Now to go bleach yourself, carry your face social media, you watch like this thing. Now you take clip pass me, or you want come out for live video, you pack all the thing where you get for her. Now you do mad. Who said do not message? I don't said do not message you. Now freedom with the fight. If freedom come, everybody will enjoy. When I don't see the party where they do yesterday, they throw money go up. Now just 5%. Now they enjoy the money. So we want make everybody be like that. Make that they enjoy. Now with the fair. Even though they not be like that, but at least they'll feel it. Not be all these beggy. You see the north, all the children, they are beggars. They were begging for just small food, very small food. Where my children they throw away for here. You understand? Now that one want conquer. That useless Adeika or war Adeika grandson come talk to Bini. They crazy. You think say we not the fear threaty. We don't see. Well, if you not take time, Ojo Fulani will destroy Lagos for na hand. You not chop, we not chop, we'll destroy na our own. Lagos was no mass land. Nobody get Lagos. After una execute our forefather, una kill all of them. So nobody was the owner of the Lagos. Before una come change am to Yoruba own. Don't threaten anybody. Everybody is the owner of Lagos. Owo Adeka grass. So me shut up. My people, may I still talk am one more time. Our people wey dey Edo State, if una dey travel go Edo, they say they want the kill una now. Now wey dey come for abroad, they'll frame una up and they'll kill una. You understand? Because they say the juju wey they swear no work. So I think no, e no concern anybody. Muna listing, muna go tell no here, so that any bam, una know say una know where for the call. They don't talk how. And they want to execute people now. We come for abroad. Now they want the key. So anybody now we come for abroad need to be very, very careful. And
I think I prepare my food.
Which one? Bread? Which one? Bread?
I don't know. Food.
Which food you want to eat? Food. Bro, there is bread, there is hot dog. Anyone you want to tell me, I'll put it. So my brothers and sisters, for my POB, Biafra people, I beg. Bring bread, let me do it for you. But I just tired today. So, make I tell you, I say, when I know they look that useless boy. And I they promote him, and they look am. I know they call, they tell me, say, I know they look am.
Bread with small and simple time, okay?
Oh, yeah, bring it here. Come.
Yeah, I'm gonna just find the bread.
Yeah, it's here, it's here, it's here. Yeah, bread is here in the freezer. So, when I know they, when I not go, they look that boy. Now they try, they tell now. If una like, una take. If una like, many of una know say una not like truth. Me, I don't send anybody. Now freedom I defend. When freedom come, everybody doing your thing. Nobody will call it.
This bread. It's small and simple time. Fast and make it.
Yeah, worry. My worry. Now I get bread here, so.
This one.
The thing they used to cut bread. No, that thing.
I will draw me to that stand.
Okay.
And so I will walk the rest of the way.
This one is okay.
Yeah.
So go and bring
Not so
butter.
much. Not so much.
Oh shit. Go and bring butter. Go and bring butter.
That is too much.
I will put it back. So my brothers and sisters, don't go and be looking jelly. Oh, come and do raka. Raka, oh, he no can't. He no can't. Oh, you know who tell you say no can't? No can't. How about their can't? Bring some more knife for you. Who tell you say no can't? He can't, eh? Bring it. He can't. He can't. All dry paste. This bread is it enough?
Yeah. Because I'm taking my butter so.
He can't. Who tell now say no can't? You no can't. Oh, you no can't. Oh, bring your mouth, boss. Let me put food, the bread. So you no can't. You no can't. Leave that one. Na mugu. Na fool tell you say na mugu. You know what he's saying. You know. You know what he's saying. They are inviting him different platform and analyze the video. Analyze it and talk sense into his head. If only 20 people for Biafra fight face one person, I don't know say don't run. Don't run it. Don't run. Don't run. These people are the one we fight. Oh.
Should I help you?
No, no worry. I will do it for you. These people, go and wash your teeth. You have not washed your teeth. Go and wash it very well. I want to see it. Don't worry, I will do it. Go and wash your teeth. I will do it. Go and keep that knife. You are back on. Tafia, where book me? Go and wash your teeth.
I put. No, I didn't. But I wanted to.
Wash it. I want to see it when you come out there. So, you know, go can't. You know, who tell you say no can't? Who tells you? Say, Raka, this thing, no. You go can't. Mona not the fool na. Mona not the gbuwa. No know as they talk about for it. Why I gbuwa? But we not count. If referendum want come, na don't confuse our people with the ground. I been on social media. Now want go vote for Africa. I beg go. Mona pack where mona correct una mistake o. Not be me no pass. Na the truth. Yesterday, Jele, my person dey there wey call me. Jele was insulting our leader. It was insulting. And the people that was there, many are Biafrans. Not the truth. Say they use fake account, they look and they say I know they look, who told us so I know they look. Mona pack where we know what they go on. Now they look all of una dead here. Mona they look again. Enough is enough. Mona not they trick us again. Everybody face what they do. If una want look at me who they do live video, come out on live video. Come out on live video. Eh? Come out on live video and let the others look at through your own. Don't be say you now go they comment for Jele this thing and una they give her popularity. Jele is enjoy the cause, even though now the cause are not good, not can't. You people are giving me don't go there anymore. And now they look at no now they look at again. Our Edo people, Mona go ask them. We call them. Mona not mad me. I call many people. We go they look joy. I call many people, eh? I call mostly one of my sister for it. I say, come, you know they think. This girl now, he say one that he say Niger data. We're gaining. You don't gain money for that Niger data. Wait, here. Worry me can grow meet worry. Say that they drill all year. Worry. Oh yeah, they kill them. I don't ever give you 1 naira. Now my mama say, na true, na true you talk so. You know, look again. Just talking rubbish because of jealousy. They crazy. Now we want come put us. We don't wake up. We don't know what they happen. We have wake up. You people cannot take us back again. When me there abroad where they share money. As Corona day so. If not, we can't work. When me they work. I for there as though they pay me. If na office I for the work, I use computer they work, and they receive my salary. Like you no get sense. One person want to pull me backward. No work. 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 And our Biafra people, Mona not fix say this struggle we are playing. We will spoil everywhere. And they use how they shout. Everybody concentrate. Yes. Those Igbo jumping from one platform to another, commenting on nonsense, only their own brother, selling their brother and selling their birthright, and ending against the life of another influential generation here. Thank you, Mama. It's true. They don't have sense. Many of them. They don't have sense. They don't think. They don't kill their brother finish for Igbo land. They follow Ijele up and down. Ijele yesterday, Ijele was insulting Papa. Maybe not be our leader. And our Igbo people were there. The office said that they challenge Ijele. Ijele is enjoying it. Ijele is enjoying the course. He's enjoying it. Using that to get viewer. They must come. Ijele go say, they go come. All this mumu, they go come now. They must come. My people, if na real freedom na dey fight, na know what to do. Don't go to Ijele platform anymore. If you want to do it, be screaming it live. All the viewers wey suppose they get, you go they get them. You go tire. Now so I tell Festus say, no they analyze the way that they life. When you see who go tire. Yeah, people. Now what can confuse us? How many of them don't come and say the governor, you they receive so money, come and share the money? How many? Now don't see them.